Today, we are going to learn how to install Laravel 10 with Vue.js. Laravel 10 requires PHP version 8.1 or higher. Please ensure your environment is up to date for full compatibility. Now go to the browser and search Laravel install 10. Then visit Laravel official document site. Let's copy the installing command and go to the local terminal. Paste it and type your project name, then hit enter. Looks good. Now go to the project folder and open it on VS Code. Open XAMPP server and create a database. I'm opening XAMPP and creating a database named Laravel with Vue. Run the commands to install Laravel UI package. Now typing composer require Laravel UI for Laravel UI package. Then typing PHP artisan UI Vue-auth for Laravel authentication. The command PHP artisan UI Vue-auth is used to scaffold Vue.js authentication UI in a Laravel project. This command is useful when you're setting up a new project and want to include authentication features such as login, registration, password resets, etc., along with Vue.js for the front end. After that, type npm install and npm run dev to run this project. Finally, we are going to run this project by PHP artisan serve command. Now type PHP artisan migrate fresh. The command PHP artisan migrate fresh is used to drop all the tables in the database and then run all migrations from scratch. This can be helpful during development to reset the database and start with a fresh schema. Create a new user and log in using valid credentials. Now we are going to join Vue.js component with our main Laravel blade code.